Hello. So, today we're gonna have a little beach day, a little self-care moment.
It's easy, baby. Haha, it's easy.